Today, we are going to demonstrate how to replace a 1910A Terminator found in the Civacon ROM2 monitor. Let's begin by unscrewing the 6 bolts using a socket wrench. Remove the monitor cover. Loosen the terminal screws to disconnect the Terminator wires. Note, the replacement Terminator will be wired in the same terminal positions. Remove the Terminator from the housing. Insert the new Terminator into the housing. Once the Terminator has been properly inserted in the monitor, connect the Terminator wires to the circuit board in the same terminal positions as before and tighten the terminal screws. Wires should be securely tucked into the housing. Reattach the monitor cover by replacing the 6 bolts. To learn more about the Civacon ROM2, visit www.civacon.com.